how much time everybody needs? The quality delta time, that is important. Everybody needs only 1 hour 15 minutes only. The delta time, if anybody is having average adult, the 25-year adult, complete with his complete health, then that adult needs only 1 hour 15 minutes of delta time throughout 24 hours. But what happens in the sleep? Normal 8 hours. The sleep cycles are there. The sleep cycles approximately 70 minutes to 110 minutes, approximately average of 90 minutes. For example, if you take every 90 minutes, you are going into deeply, slowly going deeper and coming out. There's 90 minutes again, going deeper. Delta is 10 to 15 minutes, again coming out. Disturbed sleep, moving sleep, and dreaming sleep, everything removed. Only the quality, the deep thoughtless state, delta stage is only 1 hour 15 minutes. That's too, if you are healthy, complete health, complete 25-year-old, 25-year adult, complete health, regenerating, full of energy. That person is having only 1 hour 15 minutes. The age when the age progresses, when the diseases are having, anybody's having, they do not have that much sleep. They are having average, for example, a 40-year-old, 45 years person is having 45 minutes only deep delta sleep. Rest of all the sleep is disturbed sleep only. Even if they sleep for more than 8 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours also, if they sleep, the quality sleep is they are having is only 45 minutes.